Don chiadúr is darchan tae van Fernach Harlach Bain Choré Tegan Raylan Automach at Le Kenish na Hern. An Irothonish e Vogant, nun Iroth la Hannachon on Galav on Cravid Vanach or Frello di Eher na Tira. Vi Mihala de Slan and Zimmer Gallagher a Barkin Krokik don Le Kenish Vanach AIB.
Spás ríiste ganna cúna chatríd an son an Timhor Lord Park a Sarah O'Grady pass all in cliste Deschans o beidir ar cúlig an lán Tasío! Cadé mar cúla Ciara McCarthy Farvor na Shelva Gadisha Baina Cura Tigan Ray Lán agus cuméis in an ish Tá Anna Cúna Galiva Gaffa chun tosig glúisiid álingar gan pass cliste agus cadé mar cúla Ciara McCarthy.
Well, sinné bhí me sé glór shui punch agus tá cúil gota big níos far ag a rís cadhui Ciara McCarthy an sin ní ro mór an deisian aici tímhaidí féin bhí monion aici astí féin agus chuirsi a chean síos.
Nuala Mohan. So Bútaríis gus nasta agus chance Lauren Dwyer. Pass him amach an so go Oscantí chance so clean in hay. Sár cúla clean in hay. We were trying to cúlúnta ag Ciara McCarthy tá ceann díreach ó maith feic inis ag clean in hay ag bainna cuara Tigan Ray Lán agus tá siad inis gafa gá cúlín contosig.
Níl me ag Lord Swina cinna bhí curtha nasta acu ná na cinna bhí curtha ar fórial. Tá siad ag mar go hénta go dtí seo agus freigra ionta acu chunne a bluiseir tá ganna gúin.
Sár cúlín an son ag Sinead Hayden Cara scóirna se sa chéile an bhearna sínta amachtaí Cara cúlín feisi brasásta leanúntar agur feith cúpla nóid eile mar tá furlóbas an isis ag bainna chuir Tigan Ray Lán agus a rís paiste maimartha. Slí ag an tríd sinnéana ceist deis an son. Brewer cos an Rihanna cúil tan Kirklew mór hainfil déanta tá Brewer an son tá sé ar cúla an deire tá sé sin sneánathe Haran Trasnón. Kick amach an eisiau tacht o Eleanor Lynch. Cavan Lee Rhodes an son dul in a cuine agus siacú mar ríist bainna chuir Tigan Ray Lán sneánathe tríd a ríist dí Katie Bullen. Cara an son agus Sinead Hayden. Sé cúlín massa chéad le. Triála sé ceannaí Hayden an cean son ag taiste lá tarna cúlín an son ag Hayden. Shelf Kamata, they're going to score one Ellen Ganon so Dove Tranon and first for the Shay Coolin after a Deshan so egg Lauren Dwyer and Carol Coolin and so egg Lauren Dwyer. Sinead Hayden will courage stop and son Ariagas kick Eric and son egg Bainakura Tigan Ray Lán Elaine Kesh Sinead Hayden a reach fishy Garrett Treed. Go make an Shreve Roward le Drapa ag Anna Cúna Galafa Clean hay Cúlagus trí Cúlín Gadísa John no na nada has the lean thom Oracle a reached do a tree in ish clean in hay agus is tol on to Gurbay shin and so Laker o Carla ahoy Kaylura a Maravar con Cleha Tukanoha I get there at Bainakura Tigan Ray Lán on a Hatspontas Mission Kern Lebrunna Aaron Gaptain and Cade Club Riav o Carla ag Búcant Inson Comortas Shaw agus Shannon Cotter ag Glachilish and Gorn agus Arda Hiscajoir and son Tavlish and Himmerhori Kaylura
How did we end up here? Look at how far we've come.
We're family. We grew up playing together. I was in school with Aveen, I've played with Keena. It's just unbelievable. Words can't describe how we feel right now.
'Cause together.
Chance ag Lauren Dwyer. Passing him up and so good Oscantí chance to clean in hay. Sár cúla clean in hay.
We knew at half-time we needed to stay in the game and we did. I don't think the first half was the best performance we've ever put in, so we knew we could just drive on. There was another gear there and thankfully we kept the scoreboard ticking.
Make these moments last forever, 'cause we're indestructible. We will stand.
Cúlagus trí Cúlín Cadísa John no na nada has the lean thom Oracle a reached do a tree in ish clean in hay.
this group of phenomenal, funny, good-looking girls in front of me.